In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 hairdryers on Amazon that will blow you away with their amazing features, performance, and price. If you are looking for a professional hairdryer that can reduce frizz, enhance shine, and save time, you might want to check out the Siyoo hairdryer. This hairdryer has a 1600W motor and ionic low noise technology that can dry your hair quickly and smoothly. It also has a double safety removable filter, a magnetic accessory, and an ALC safety plug for convenience and protection. It comes with a diffuser and a concentrator nozzle to suit different hairstyles and needs. Whether you have curly, straight, thin, or thick hair, the Siyoo hairdryer can help you achieve your desired look. The best part is that it only costs $39.99 on Amazon, which is a great deal for such a high-quality product. Another hairdryer that you might want to consider is the Loveps hairdryer. This hairdryer has a 1800W motor and ionic low noise technology that can dry your hair fast and smooth. It also has a foldable handle and a double safety removable filter that make it easy to store and clean. The hairdryer has 2 speed and 3 heat settings that let you adjust the temperature and wind speed to your preference. You can also use the diffuser or the concentrator nozzle to create different hairstyles for different occasions. Whether you have curly, straight, thin, or thick hair, you can use the Loveps hairdryer to achieve salon-like results at home. The best part is that this hairdryer is also only $39.99 on Amazon, which is a bargain for such a versatile product. Don't miss this chance to get the Loveps hairdryer and enjoy a hassle-free hairdrying experience. If you want a hairdryer that can deliver brilliant shine and reduce frizz, you might want to try the Remington Shine Therapy hairdryer. This hairdryer has a built-in ion generator and a micro-conditioner that releases argan oil and keratin onto your hair as you style. It also has a powerful motor that can dry your hair 50% faster than other dryers. You can choose from 5 heat and 2 speed settings to suit your hair type and style. The best part is that this hairdryer is only $18.89 on Amazon, which is a steal for such a shine-enhancing product. If you are looking for a hairdryer that can protect your hair from excessive heat and dry it fast, you might want to check out the Laifen hairdryer. This hairdryer has a thermo-control technology that alternates hot and cold airstream to avoid hair damage. It also has a high-speed brushless motor that can dry your hair in minutes, which is 2x faster than traditional hairdryers. It also has a negative ionic feature that can lock the moisture and shine in your hair and reduce frizz. You can also enjoy the 3-color LED ring light that indicates the temperature and mode of the hairdryer. The hairdryer is also very quiet, lightweight, and easy to use. The best part is that this hairdryer is only $159.99 on Amazon, which is a reasonable price for such a high-tech product. If you want a hairdryer that can style your hair like a pro and smooth the frizz, you might want to try the Kiss Pro Tourmaline ceramic hairdryer. This hairdryer has a powerful 1875-watt motor and a ceramic material that gives off negative ions to seal in moisture and shine. It also has 3 heat settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to control the temperature and airflow. You can also use the 2 straightening combs, the concentrator, the diffuser, or the sectioning clips to create different hairstyles for different occasions. The hairdryer is also lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to store. The best part is that this hairdryer is only $24.69 on Amazon, which is a great value for such a super styling product. If you're interested in any of the hairdryers I featured in this video, you can find the product links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.